All right. So now that we've delved into your journey a little more, let's come back. Let's have a bit of fun. Let's play a few games. So the first one we're going to get jump back into is called Two Truths, One Lie. The idea here is you give us three statements from your journey, two of which are true and one is false. It can be challenges, achievements. It can be about you. It can be about a time at Meta. But we're going to try and guess which one is the lie.
All right, two truths and a lie. Here we go. One, Meta's campus features a rooftop garden where employees can relax and enjoy organic produce grown on site. Two, Meta once experimented with a cryptocurrency called Facecoin to facilitate transactions on our platforms. And three, my favorite hobby is hiking, and I often take trips to explore nature trails.
All right, those are very interesting statements. I mean, I like the fact that you've done two about the company and one about you. It's going to make our job a little tougher. But, Janvi, what do you think?
The rooftop garden sounds plausible given Meta's focus on sustainability, and experimenting with a cryptocurrency also aligns with Meta's innovative approach. But Mark being like an avid hiker, I don't know. I haven't heard much about it. Seems maybe a little unexpected.
Yeah, I think I agree. You don't strike me as someone who spends much time hiking in nature, especially since you're trying to build a virtual world. So let's go with number three. I think Mark
Okay.
would probably do a lot of hiking in the metaverse, maybe.
Actually, you got it wrong. Hiking is indeed one of my favorite hobbies, and I enjoy exploring nature trails whenever I can. The lie was actually about the cryptocurrency experiment.
Oh, that's insane. I would not have guessed that you're an avid hiker, but it's great to know that because the point of this game is to learn more about you and things that might not necessarily come out of generic interviews online.